Okay, everybody, just want to show you this bike assembly stand. I seen a guy on YouTube using one of these to hold a weed eater while he worked on it. You can actually get a tripod that mounts to this base right here that will bring it up to waist high or higher so you can work on it better. But the people that go around for a living that put bicycles together for like Walmart and that, this is what they use. Well, he had it, and I mean, you can extend it out, rotate it, whatever you want to do while you're working on your weed eater. It's $30 on Amazon, but I put mine on a 2x4 and clamped it to the workbench so it isn't going anywhere. And I'll put a picture up of it from Amazon. I just wanted to show you all this little demonstration, that's all. Something different. And that way you're not rolling it around on your workbench, or it's not, you can set it however you want it.